Today we're making my new favorite all-purpose spray cleaner. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making one of those wonderful homemade all-purpose spray cleaners. I use this just about everywhere. It is so simple to do, and I am using this wonderful, it's about 1.5 cups of a liquid in here. And all it takes to use this, and it smells so great, is this is Dawn dish soap. Yep, Dawn. I'm going to pour that in there. Then, these are essential oils. Essential oils will help. A lot of them have been proven to help with getting help by antibacterial, but I use them simply because they really do. They're just really nice to have. Now, we're going to start with tea tree oil. Tea tree is not my favorite scent, so I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 drops of tea tree oil. If you're wondering where you can get all of these oils, you can check down below in the description. It will link you to my Amazon affiliate site where you can get these oils, or you can look at them, or you can look for them in your own area. Then we have orange oil. This smells so good. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Orange oil, once again, will help with the cleaning. We love having our houses nice and clean. Now, let's take a smell. Yeah, it smells mainly of orange. Lemongrass. You can replace the lemongrass with lemon oil, but I like the lemongrass oil simply because I think it just smells incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 6 drops of the lemongrass because it is quite strong. Now, I'm just going to fill this up with the rest of the way with vinegar. Then I just put the spray top on and shake. Now, I try not to use this on wood simply because I just don't really want to use this on wood. But I found that on everything from my refrigerator to my counters, it is just a wonderful cleaner to use. It works really well. Now, with any cleaner that anybody will tell you about, you need to spray these homemade cleaners down and let them sit for about a minute. Then you wash them off with warm water. It is that great. It doesn't give you a residue, gives you this wonderful scent. And like I said, I use this everywhere, and this just works really well. Have I used this on this counter? I have. I'll admit it, I have. I probably shouldn't. I don't know for certain about that, but I probably shouldn't simply because this is a butcher block counter, but I have used it on it. Now, if you have granite, those sort of things, I can say I would test it out. I would not swear that this would be really great for that, so you want to read your manufacturer's instructions. Do they even have manufacturer's instructions for granite countertops? I'm sure they do. But yes, you want to use this in a place, always test everything out, especially anything which is homemade. Test it out in an inconspicuous area first, then you can do whatever you want with it. So that way you don't have to worry. So if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.